Facebook marketing refers to the practice of promoting products, services, or brands on the Facebook platform to reach and engage with a target audience. As one of the largest social media platforms with billions of active users, Facebook offers a variety of tools and features for businesses and marketers to advertise and connect with their target customers. Here are some key aspects and strategies involved in Facebook marketing. 1. Facebook pages. Businesses can create dedicated Facebook pages to represent their brand or products. These pages serve as a hub for sharing content, engaging with followers, and running advertising campaigns. 2. Content creation and sharing. Marketers can create and share various types of content, including text posts, photos, videos, and links. The content can be used to inform, entertain, or engage the target audience, building brand awareness and customer loyalty. 3. Facebook advertising. Facebook offers a robust advertising platform that allows businesses to create targeted ad campaigns. Advertisers can define specific demographics, interests, behaviors, and locations to reach their ideal audience. Facebook ads can appear in users' news feeds, on the right sidebar, in Messenger, and within the Facebook Audience Network. 4. Ad formats. Facebook offers various ad formats, including image ads, video ads, carousel ads, multiple images or videos in a swipeable format, collection ads, displaying products in a grid format, and lead ads, capturing user information directly within the ad. 5. Targeting and custom audiences. Facebook provides powerful targeting options based on user demographics, interests, behaviors, and connections. Additionally, marketers can create custom audiences by uploading customer lists or using the Facebook pixel to track user behavior on their website. 6. Insights and analytics. Facebook provides detailed insights and analytics to track the performance of ad campaigns and pages. Marketers can measure metrics such as reach, engagement, click-through rates, conversions, and return on ad spend, ROAS. 7. Messenger marketing. Facebook Messenger can be utilized for customer support, lead generation, and marketing automation. It enables businesses to engage with customers through chatbots, automated messages, and personalized interactions. 8. Community building and engagement. Facebook groups allow businesses to create communities around their brands, products, or industries. Engaging with group members, answering questions, and sharing valuable content can help foster relationships and build customer loyalty. 9. Remarketing and retargeting. With a Facebook pixel, businesses can track user behavior on their website and show targeted ads to users who have shown interest or taken specific actions, such as adding items to a shopping cart or abandoning a purchase. Overall, Facebook marketing provides businesses with a powerful platform to reach a large audience, build brand awareness, drive website traffic, generate leads, and increase sales. It requires strategic planning, compelling content, precise targeting, and continuous optimization to achieve desired results.